Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be unboxing the Epson Pro Cinema 6040 model. I've had some really good feedback from you guys on unboxing the 4050, so I'm going to share with you some of the differences here. So just like the 4050 model, the 6040 comes with this back cover plate. This is the professional series. This comes with a longer warranty, unlike the 5040, which is actually the same specifications on the video side. This back cover is included and it's not on the 5040, and the whole unit comes in black instead of white. You get your lamp included as part of this package. Same chief projector mount as the 4050. This is the mounting plate and your keys to unlock the locking mechanism that secures it to the top plate that goes on the projector, which I'll show you in just a second. Look right here, you got a keyhole. If I can get the key in there. There we go. And then this unit right there slides open like that, securing it into place. Extension pole needed for vaulted ceilings, and the top mounting plate to secure it to the ceiling into a stud. Hardware. And a manual if you're doing this for the first time. Oh. Felt a little heavy. And the top plate goes to the projector. Now on to the projector itself. Now, one of the biggest differences between this projector and the 5040 is that the 6040 has 1,000,000 to 1 contrast instead of 200,000 to 1 contrast. It also has a slightly brighter bulb. It's 2,500 lumens instead of 2,400 lumens. Both units do 10-bit full color processing and partial 12-bit processing. Just a couple of the key specifications that you'll notice. Other than that, they're very similar in specs. Contrast is the big difference there. Power cord. Cable cover, remote control, and Epson's nice enough to include batteries for us. And the remote control is the same as the 4050. Alright, now the unit itself. everything in the box. I'll show you some of the ports and the housing of the unit. Alright, so here's the unit itself. You can see on the back here we have our trigger route, RS-232, a PC port, LAN, service, USB, HDMI 1 and 2, and the HDMI 300 MA, which is a USB port. This projector essentially has the same housing as the 4050. It just has the guts internally are a little bit different, like I mentioned earlier. If you guys have questions or would like to purchase, just either reply in the drop box below, give us a call, or shoot us an email. Alright, so I just got the top plate on. You can see I put in all the screws, which this mount perfectly lines up for because they designed this top plate to go with this projector. You got your top mounting piece that just clips right in like this, slides on, and then locks into place. That way it can't go anywhere. You have your extension rod, which I've already screwed in, and then this is the top plate. One thing that I find very interesting is that they provide the top plate but no hardware to bolt it into the ceiling, so if you don't already have it, maybe you can pick it up. We're just using lag bolts to put it straight into the studs, and then the two side ones that I can't hit the stud on, I'm using these 100-pound drywall anchors that come in the ceiling, and then they spread to ensure that even if a kid jumps up and is hanging on the projector, it's not coming down. Just a little note.
Yeah. So good looking, it's almost fake.
I know.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah. Pretty impressive.
Yes.
It's just like your TV downstairs.
No.
Better? I didn't see. I didn't look at your TV downstairs.
This is crazy.
Okay, now reach out, pet that spot.
Increase? Decrease?
So what I'm hearing is a lot of bass. So
It's the video.
I turned the bass up. Oh, that's a cool guy.
You can adjust that
just
to your personal preference.
okay. Yeah, because say I mean it's great. I mean there's no other word for it.